Hello everyone, today we're going to take a look at the RAM mounts custom cradle for the Garmin nuvi 40 series. This is the RAM-HOL-GA49. There are a couple different units in that nuvi 40 series. You have US only for mapping, US and Canada, with or without lifetime maps. This cradle is going to fit any one of those units in the nuvi 40 series. Here on the back of the cradle, you have this two-hole pattern and this diamond shape that's designed to line up with a plate like this, RAM-B-238 diamond plate with 1-inch ball. This plate is designed to bolt right onto the back of the cradle, and once that's on there, you can put that on an arm and build out the rest of your mount. The cradle does not come with this piece, though. This is purchased separately or as part of a bundle, but the cradle does come with a hardware pack to attach this plate to the back. Here on the front of the cradle, we have a couple cutaways in there, and we'll take out our nuvi 40 now and drop that into the cradle, put the bottom in first, make sure it's pushed all the way down to the bottom, and then you can push or pull back on the top, and that'll just snap right into place all the way in there. When the GPS is in the cradle, you still have access to just about everything you're going to need. There's a cutaway for the power button, and the ones in the back that I showed you before, one's for the external speaker on the GPS, and the other one is for a mini USB port. That's so you can power the GPS while it is in the RAM cradle. To remove the GPS from the cradle, you'll push up on that tab on the top with one of your thumbs while pulling back on the GPS with your fingers, and that should just pop right out. So I did have one other GA49 cradle I wanted to show you here today. This one, though, I've attached that 1-inch ball to the back, and this is just to give you an idea of what the cradle will look like when you have it in use with other RAM mount components. So we'll drop the GPS back into the cradle again, and then we can take whatever base we're going to be using. So I have a suction cup here, and I'll put an arm on that, like this standard length arm, and the ball on the back of the cradle can fit into the open socket. Now I can position it exactly how I like it, tighten up the knob on the side of the arm, and that's about all there is to it. I now have my nuvi 40 in the cradle in a secure suction cup mount, and I am ready to go. So that is a quick look at the RAM mounts custom cradle for the Garmin nuvi 40 series. This is the RAM-HOL-GA49.